Perfect. Perfect.
Hello, I am Suhas Purohit. Today we are going to study about a drug called Bibitaki. Its karma is Virechanopaga and Jwarahara. Besonym: Bibitaki removes the fear about the diseases. Moving on to its botanical name, Terminalia bellarica Roxb. The word Terminalia is derived from terminus, which means producing from the extremity, that is, end leaves terminal in position. And bellarica is derived from the word bele, which is the Arabic name for bibitak. The leaves of the Terminalia family have small nodules at the base, one on each side. Family Combrataceae. Moving on to the synonyms. Bahedaka. It is commonly known as Baheda. Vindhyajata. It mostly grows in the Vindhya region. Vasanta. It flowers in the spring. Karshaphala. Its fruits are 1 karsha, that is, it weighs 10 grams. Aksha. Its fruits were used as dyes in the ancient time. Kalidruma. Bhutavasa. It was regarded as the adobe of Kali in the Bhutas. Tailaphala. Its seeds kernel is oily. Vibitaka, Vibideka, Tusa, Samavartaka, which means it maintains healthy by elevating the diseases. Kasagna. It elevates the kasa. Moving on to the morphology. It is a large tree. It grows up to 20 to 25 meters high with pubescence on young branchiate. Leaves. Leaves are clustered at the end of branches. Let's coriaceous, pale beneath, broad elliptic or obovate elliptic, 8 to 20 centimeters long, base often unequal. Flowers in slender spikes interrupted, and it is 8 to 15 centimeters long, and it's dirty, grey or greyish yellow in color with strong and offensive smell. Fruits, they are ovoid, grey, velvety with 5 or more less indistinct furrows. Nut thick and hard. Flowers in March to May and fruits in December to February. Moving on to the types. As per Bhava Prakasha Nigantu, the varieties are depending on the size of the fruits, and it is classified into having small fruits and having big fruits. Chemical compositions. Fruits, fructose, galactose, glucose, mannitol, rhamnose, cytosterol. Seed, edible oil. Seed, goat, gallic acid, bark and heartwood, chabulagic acid, ellagic acid. Moving on to the Rasa Panchaka. Rasa is Kashaya. Guna, it is having Ruksha and Lagu Guna. Virya, Ushna Virya, Vipaka, Madhura Vipaka. Moving on to its Dosha Karmas. Dosha, it is Tridosha Hara. Dhatu, Majja, that is intoxication. Rakta, hemostatic. Shukra, aphrodisiac as Manasamagni. Mala, Purisha, that is laxative. Hair tonic. Bibitaka Majja Tarla. Moving on to the indications. It is indicated in Jwara, Kasa, Shwasa, Atisara, Ashmari, Chardi and Trishna. Moving on to its therapeutic use. Shvitra. Akshataila is applied externally. Ashmari. The powder of Vibitaki seeds is given with Sura. Kasa and Shwasa. The Vibitaki powder is given with honey after the meals. Atisara. Vibitaki fruit burnt into and it is given with the salt. Moving on to its useful parts. They are fruit rind, seed and seed kernel. Moving on to the dosage, that is matra. Powder 3 to 6 grams. Special preparations are Vibitaka Taila, Triphala Churna, ಫಲಾತ್ರಿಕಾಡಿಕ್ವಾತ ಲವಂಗಾದಿವತ್ತಿ ಅಕ್ಷತೈಲ ತಾಲಿಸಾದಿಚೂರ್ಣ ಲವಂಗದಿ. पर्याय बिभीतकः त्रिलिंगः स्यात् अक्षः कर्षफलः तु सः कलिद्रुमः भूतवासः तथा कलियुगायः. रेफरेंस भावप्रकाश हरितक्यादि वर्ग. मूविंग ऑन टू गुणकर्म. बिभीतक स्वादुपाकं कषायं कफपित्तनुत उष्णवीर्य हिमस्पर्श भेदनं कासनाशनं रूक्ष नेत्रहितं केश्यं कृमिवैश्वर्य नाशनं बिभीतमज्ज त्रुट्छर्दि कफवातहरि लघुः कषायो मधुकृत्य अतः धात्रिमज्ज अपि तदा गुणः. रेफरेंस भावप्रकाश हरितक्यादि वर्ग. थैंक यू.
Perfect.